Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a welcome bot into your Discord server. So it's pretty easy and simple. Make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, I'll just simply open up Discord, and here, as you can see, I'm on my own server, and it's pretty simple. You have to press on your top left server area, and over here, once you press on the arrow, it will show you some options, but you just need to go ahead and press the server settings. Over here, you just need to scroll down a bit until you see app directory. Just go ahead and press on that. Over here, it will show you apps. Now, you just need to press on search and type in Dino. Once you type it in, it will just load up, and here we go. This is Dino. We just gotta go ahead and press on that. And once we press on Dino, it will say add apps. Go ahead and press on add app and visit site. So it's just gonna take you to its website, and it's gonna do its authorization process. So you just need to be patient with it. And here, as you can see, and you just need to select the server that you want to add in. So I'm just going to select the server and press continue. Now you can give it all the permissions, whatever you want to give it, and then press authorize. Once you press authorize, it will start the authorization process. So it might take a few moments, but here you go. Now it will bring you to on your setup. So select your prefix. So I'm not gonna select any random prefix. So I'm just gonna let it stay like that. And now you just gotta choose your time zone. So whatever your time zone is, just choose that. So I'm just gonna choose a random time zone, just like this one. Once you do that, just press on next, and then select your channel updates. So I have general. You can add many more, and just press on that. Once you do that, it will ask you for premium. So if you want to get premium for $8, go ahead and get that. And once this is done here, as you can see, now this is all the modules. So I type in welcome, just simply turn on welcome. And here, as you can see, you can just, do that and select your channel and make sure it's message. And you can also change it to whatever you'd like to, but welcome to the server is basic. And yeah, this is done. Now, whenever someone joins the server, it will just, pop up, and the welcome message will show. So yeah, this is pretty simple and easy as it gets. So I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.